Okay, hold it right there, waiting for barrier alignment. Over.
Guide them steadily down.
Scanning confirmed. ID 74321.
Easy now, let's go.
Check the flow rate on station 3.
Looks good, levels are stable.
This bull is showing slightly lower intake on the sensor.
I see that. The historical data confirms the trend, but he's still within healthy parameters. Cycle complete, reducing flow to mist.
Roger that. Animals appear fully clean.
Position the probe at the specific depth.
Restraint is secure, Doctor.
Eyes are clear, slight redness in the left ear.
Noted. Skin integrity looks good.
Recording that now, Doctor.
The temperature is stable at 101.2. Confirmed. The system updated automatically. We are clear for the next one.
Vital signs are strong. The cardiovascular reading is complete. Confirmed. I've updated the digital records.
Strength and shape are perfect. What do the measurements say?
All within premium standard, Doctor.
Excellent. Inspection approved.
Medical reports are complete and verified. Final approval granted.
The cleaning solution is activating perfectly right here.
Yes, and the rinse cycle is clear. The drying looks good too.
The nesting algorithm did well. Minimal waste on the hide. Looks perfect. Let's send it to the cutter.
Clicks. Short summer sleeves are attached to the shirt body using computerized sewing machines. Strong reinforced stitching improves durability.